化生 Electromechanical Group Inverter Weld Cleaning Machine HSDDS62. The main scope of its function is the tungsten spot formed during the arc-on-arc welding process. Machine parts introduction. Accessories include ground clamp, cleaning gun, and brush head. Installation steps. First, loosen the tape on the front of the brush head. It's like this after loosening it. If the brush is too long, it may cause improper cleaning. Move the rubber sleeve forward. Just expose the brush part about 1 cm. We install the brush into the gun head. Turn clockwise and tighten. The second step, connect the ground clamp port to the machine. Turn clockwise and tighten. Connect the welding gun port to the black port of the machine. Turn clockwise and tighten. The installation is complete. Connect the power and start working. Clamp the ground clamp to the work piles. Place the tip of the gun in an insulated place. Turn on the power. Adjust power parameters. For non-large work pieces, the recommended value is within 20. After adjusting the parameters, dip the brush into the cleaning fluid. After cleaning, wipe with a damp towel. Demonstration of plain welding seam cleaning and welding seam color penetration treatment. Mirror panel cleaning demonstration. Wipe with a towel after cleaning.